Hello everyone, welcome back again to our channel Code Circuit. In this video, this will be the second part of the merge to sorted arrays question that we were solving. Okay, so in the first part of the video, I showed you how to go ahead with the algo and I explained you how we will approach the question. Okay, in this tutorial, in the second part, I will show you how to write the code and the language I will be using is C++. So before starting, I would like to again request all of you to please like and share our videos with your friends and family. And at the same time, if you really like the content that you are bringing forward to you, please don't forget to like and share and subscribe also to our channel and hit the bell icon. That is very important because that will notify you about the latest updates. And guys, it doesn't take much. So I'm requesting you again, please motivate us by subscribing because we have been trying a lot to bring very good content to you and we are very happy with the response that you're giving. But I don't see subscribers. Please, we want subscribers. That is really important in motivating us and creating more better content for you. Okay, so thank you again and I hope you will subscribe. So without any more ado, let's get started again. So as I said in the first part of the video, I have showed you this thing. We had two arrays, array 1, array 2, which are sorted. Okay, and our task was to merge these two sorted arrays. Okay, and the final output you can see ARR3 will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 9. Okay, and I had showed you the two pointer approach where we'll be checking the two arrays and then depending on whether any element in the first array or the second array is smaller, we will put that in the final array. Okay, and guys, if you have not watched the first part, I will give you the link in the description and also in the I button. Please go and watch it, then come back for the solution in this video. Okay, so without any more ado, let's do one thing. Let's get started with writing the code. Okay, and I will give you a brief overview about what we are trying to do. And let me go to my ID here. Okay, so here my task is I have two arrays A1 and the size is 5. I'll fix the size here is equal to say 13579, the example that we had taken in the whiteboard, right? Then the second array A2, the size is 3 is equal to 2, 4 and 6. Okay, and I need one more array where I will store this and the size will be 8. Okay, and initialize this to 0 in the beginning. Fine, and then I will call my function merge sorted arrays by passing my array 1, passing my size 1 that is 5, then passing my array 2 and passing the size which is 3, and then I will pass my array 3. Okay, and then after that I will just print the output array. So I'll say for integer x inside the array 3, we'll just print the elements of the array. So x, and let me give a space like this. Fine, and after that let me just go to the next line as a good habit. Fine, this is the template that we have. We have the first array, we have the second array, and then we have the third array which is initialized to 0 in the beginning. And then I'm calling the merge sorted arrays function, passing the first array, the size, the second array, the size, and then the output array where I want to store the sorted array. Make sense? Now I have to implement this function. So no return type, it will be void. So merge sorted arrays, it takes the first array, it takes the size of the first array, it takes the second array, it takes the size of the second array, and it takes the third array. Okay, that is our criteria. Okay, this much we have. Now, as I said, we will be using the two pointer approach. So let me just take the indexes of the first array. I is equal to 0. Then I will take j is equal to 0. And for the final array, I will take the index k equal to 0. Okay, all will be starting from 0 itself. Then as our condition was, the terminating condition will be while the index I will be less than the length of the first array and the index j will always be less than the length of the second array. This is our terminating condition. Okay, in that case we'll check if any element of the first array is, let me give the if condition, if any element or maybe say the first element of the first array is less than the first element of the second array, in that case, what I will do, I will append or add that into the third array. Okay, ARR of K is equal to A1 of I. Make sense? And then we have to increment the counter. Guys, what we do is generally we write like this, K plus plus and I plus plus. Correct? Because if you see here, if the element from the first one is coming, then obviously this I index has to go here, right? And if it is coming from the second one, then it is J plus plus. We have already discussed this. And every time we are appending it to the final array, we have to increment the index of K also. Fine, this we know already. So rather than writing it like this, we can remove these two steps and simply write like this, K plus plus here, and we can write I plus plus here. Okay. Otherwise, if this is not the case, obviously then our array 3 element will be coming from the second array. Correct? It will be J plus plus now. That's it. So this will suffice for two equal arrays. But what if we have unequal arrays as we had in our case? Then as I said, they are already sorted. This part is already sorted. So this will just come and sit here in the final array, right? So it can be for both the cases. Okay, so I'll say add left out elements from first array, if any, and let me copy the same thing. This will become second array, if any. Okay, let me do the first one first, then I can do the second one after that. Okay, so my condition will be again while I is less than s1, I will repeat this same step. Correct? So let me do it here. Similarly, for the second one, it will be while j is less than s2, my condition will be adding the elements of the second array into the destination array A3. Okay, I guess our code is complete. That's it, guys. Let's try to run this and see if this is working or not. So we have 13579 and 246, and our final output should be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 9. Let's run this and check. Yeah, you can see, guys, this is our expected output. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 9. So that's it, guys. That's how easily we can solve this question. Hope you understood this, and hope you understood the logic also and the code also. Guys, if you really understand the logic, it will be very easy to write the code. Okay, I hope you have understood. No doubts at all. If you have any doubts whatsoever, please comment your doubts in the comment section. I'll be very happy to clarify those. And if you really like this content, please don't forget to subscribe. Once again, I'm telling you, please don't forget to subscribe, guys. We have our Insta handle, our Facebook, our LinkedIn. Please go and follow us everywhere to get more better content like this. Thanks a lot for watching. This is Saurabh signing off. Till the next time, till I bring you another new video, this is Saurabh signing off. Bye bye and happy learning.